Periodic time of a simple pendulum is 2 seconds. Periodic time बोले तो बच्चों 2 second time period है. It can travel to and fro from an equilibrium position up to maximum 5 centimeter. That means amplitude is 5 centimeter. The maximum distance from amplitude to maximum distance from mean position to extreme position is our amplitude, and here it is given as 5 centimeter. So amplitude is 5 centimeter. At a start, the pendulum is at maximum displacement on right side of equilibrium position. Let's say this is our origin, that is equilibrium position. This is right extreme, this is left extreme. So our particle is at t equals to 0. The displacement of particle is a, x is equals to a. From mean position to extreme position, this displacement is amplitude a. Okay, so x is equals to a sin omega t plus phi. Writing this expression, equation of SHM, x is equals to a sin omega into time is t plus phi. We get 1 is equals to sin of phi, that is sin phi. Phi is pi by 2, sin 91. So phase angle is pi by 2. What we have to find is displacement and time relation. The required displacement at any time is x is equals to a sin omega t plus phi. Okay, so x is equals to a, here amplitude is 5, sin of omega is 2 pi by time period is 2 into t plus 5 phase is pi by 2, phase angle is pi by 2. X is equals to 5 sin 2 get cancel out, pi t plus pi by 2. So this is the required equation, okay, relating displacement and time. Also it can be written as x is equals to 5 sin 90 plus theta will be cos theta, 5 cos pi t, 5 cos pi t. It can also be written as x is equals to 5 cos pi t. All right.